You know what? I'm gonna go do something nice for myself. A little gift for myself, a treat. Why not, right? Straight up, purple's my color. Can't smell. Can't smell. I invite you to treat yourself to small gifts on a regular basis. Remember, it's the thought that counts, which is your intention to be nice to yourself, to show yourself that you appreciate yourself. It doesn't matter if the gift is a latte, flowers, or a diamond ring. It's the thought that counts. It's better to give than receive, and that includes giving to ourselves. It's the thought that counts. Intention is everything. And I also am going to make this into something nice for my dad too. So sort of, something nice to do for myself and for my dad. So what you could say that, well, just going to get some ice cream, we just do that, right? Nothing special. Or you can make it sort of a special kind of thing. It's just all in the way that you look at things. Such is life. My dad always said, it's not necessarily what you say, but how you say it. And I think this sort of pertains. It's not necessarily what you do, but how you do it and the intention and meaning you attribute to it. This is going to be my next stop, but closed. That's terrible. COVID strikes again. Have a Hawaiian hot fudge sundae?
No, hot fudge sundae?
How you doing?
Great.
Okay. That's something special. You want to sit outside a little bit?
Okay.
All right. Good?
Yep.
In recent past episodes, we talked about being compassionate to ourselves and appreciating ourselves. And if that's difficult for you, then at the very least, recognize all you do for your loved ones. We talked about making a 7-day contract with yourself to tell yourself that you appreciate yourself every day. We talked about knowing when to do for others and when to say no. Do for others to act on our core values. Say no is an act of self-compassion when we need personal time to recharge. And even this, taking care of ourselves, emotionally and physically, is an indirect gift to our loved ones. I invite you to treat yourself to small gifts on a regular basis.
It's actually just 60 days until the new year.
What have you got there? Look what Scott has for you. Oh, wow.